Alright, good morning. Try to start moving these leaves. Bundle up. Alright, so I went over the yard. I had a little problem with the camera, but I went over the yard and I did some more blowing while the wind was blowing, and I got some more leaves. But as you can see, more leaves came down, but been able to clear up. And after I did what I did, the wind has been blowing something awful. So half of my leaves are blown over yonder. But this is not bad. I have to see what day that it's not going to be so windy, so that I can come back out here and do some more leaves, get the rest of them. And I haven't even touched the backyard yet. This is all just the front that I've done. See, I left my light on and out, my light on too. Well, not bad for a couple of hours of work. Not bad at all. Not bad. Wind blowing. Not gonna touch those. Over to the right, but not bad. Well, people, watch the video to this point, like it, make a comment, subscribe. Let me get my followers up. Everybody have a good one.